Good day, this is SmartwatchSpecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally we are back with our Kospet Tank T2, and after a week of using it, here's our verdict. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this beautiful outdoor smartwatch, rugged smartwatch from Kospet, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, with the smartwatch, as you can see here, okay, it's a beautiful packaging, more to display, more to try. Okay, it comes with a 2-year warranty and with a military grade, okay, drop tested, okay, MIL STD 810H USA rating. Okay, so here's the packaging, and as you can see, we do have a premium package here for the smartwatch, the charging cradle. It also comes with a screen protector or tempered glass screen. Okay, and here is the smartwatch. Okay, so a beautiful flexible strap, okay, with the steel buckle here, PC material here for the back cover. We have at least 2 physical buttons, a power button and a dedicated sport button. Okay, so beautiful smartwatch. We have here a metallic, okay, steel bezel, okay, and of course the premium Amoled screen display. Okay, so far it's a durable smartwatch. Okay, I tried to dip it in the water and do my usual stuff, outdoor stuff, okay, outdoor activities, and so far, and as you can see here, not a scratch, and it's very comfortable to use. And of course, obviously it is durable because of this, okay, 12 test, military grade test, okay, damp heat shock test, low temperature test, high temperature test, do have a vibration test, rain test, that's why it's full waterproof. We do have a salt spray test, low pressure test, fungus test, as well as sand and dust test. Okay, so for the features of this smartwatch, as you can see here, okay, we do have a beautiful wallpaper or watch faces. Okay, as you can see here, we have several watch faces, okay, available for your smartwatch. Okay, and it also has additional watch faces that you can download in its dedicated support app. Okay, so let me see if it's here. Okay, so here it has its own support app, the Kospet Fit. Okay, and we have here the specs. So 70 sports modes with at least smart recognition in other sports. Okay, Bluetooth calling with 1 switch. We do have 10 to 15 days of daily usage. Okay, as you can see here, the body, it is a combination of metal and PC material, and of course the premium 1.43 inch AMOLED 466 by 466 by 466 resolution. Okay, So it has a automatic blood oxygen, blood pressure. It is also supported by sleep tracking. Okay, compatible with the Android 7.1 and iOS 10.0. Very huge battery, 410 mAh pure cobalt battery. Okay, and regarding its battery, very long standby time. Okay, as you can see here, I still have 62%. Okay, so for the features here, okay, so we have daily activities, that is your automatic motion tracking or activity tracking. We do have a Bluetooth call, also have a heart rate, blood oxygen, we do have workout, and as you can see we have at least 70 sports mode here. And with its good waterproof rating or high waterproof rating, okay, we do have a feature for swimming. We do have badminton, tennis, mountaineering, walking, and basketball. Okay, we also have a blood pressure monitoring here. Okay, so it's a real blood pressure as well as heart rate monitoring. So if you are not wearing it, it will automatically stop monitoring your heart rate. Okay, so to be able to have your heart rate results, you have to wear the smartwatch. Okay, you have to wear it properly. Okay, as you can see here, it has started monitoring our heart rate, okay, after it detected that we are wearing the wearable. Okay, so we do have these 71, 72, 78. Okay, it ranges from I think 70 to 80. Let's see. Okay, it's still checking. Okay, I guess we have set it in the support app, okay, to have a continuous monitoring. Okay, anyway, here are the additional features. We have weather, music control, we have breathing exercises, very useful feature. We also have message notifications, voice assistant, we do have an SOS. For the toolbox, we have additional features here. A flashlight, okay, very useful. Okay, we do have a timer, stopwatch for your sports activity. We do have a remote camera as well as a calculator. Okay, in the settings, of course, we do have an option for the watch faces, and we also have an option for the always on display, the AOD. Okay, you can also change the theme here. Okay, as you can see, we do have a bubble type menu. Okay, let me check. Okay, we do have race to wake. Let's go back to our previous theme or other theme. Okay, we do have language, change of language support. Okay, oops, go back, settings, sports recognition option. Okay, so you can set it here, at least 5 sports are recognized: walking, running, cycling, elliptical, and rower. We have sound and vibration, race to wake, do not disturb, and of course the application. We have here the information. We have the tank T2 system, reboot and power off and reset. Okay, and as you can see here, Okay, it is loaded with a lot of options, okay, a lot of features, and of course one of the main feature here of the smartwatch, okay, is the Garmin like design of the wearable, okay, and of course it has almost, okay, a premium outdoor style, okay, but with a very affordable price, okay. So as you can see, layered body frame here, okay. I like the look, I like the color here, okay, and of course it's premium Amoled screen display, very bright so far, a very good screen resolution for our Kospet Tank T2. Okay, so if you want a rugged smartwatch that is affordable, okay, we do have the Kospet Tank T2, and the square version or rectangular version of the smartwatch, the Kospet M2 smartwatch. So far it is a very positive, okay, results for me, okay. I like the design, okay. You can also replace the strap here, and it is very comfortable to use, very durable so far, okay. And it has a lot of options for outdoor and indoor sports here, okay. So we also have a music control and other options for the wearable so far, okay. Of course there are some not good thing, okay, about this wearable, but it's just a minimal issues, okay. So far it's good for the Kospet Tank T2, okay. But of course if you want a much comprehensive list of sports and data tracking, much more precise, Garmin is much better. But if you want an affordable with all the basic and some advanced features for your smartwatch, a rugged smartwatch with a good screen display, a premium screen display, we do have here the Kospet Tank T2. As you can see here, more to display, more to drive. A military grade smartwatch, okay, with at least several, okay, features for its outdoor, okay, activities, okay. So if you have any questions regarding this smartwatch, please drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time.